Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel is talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, same as usual, we were talking about cryptocurrency, and now or today want share to you about the silly NFT. I returned most of the stolen nomad funds and all I got was this silly NFT. Metagame founder, who's behind the NFT's offering, said he has no idea whether it's all actually interactive hackers to return fund, but it'll not be cool if those days. Hacker behind the $190 million Nomad branch are now being interactive with it, termed non-fungible tokens. If they return nearly all of the funds they stole from the protocol at the start of this month. The exclusive NFT, which simply despises a white wizard, had its being offered by NFT firm Metagame and can be managed by those that return at least 90% of their stolen fund to Nomad. If you haven't yet returned fund, you can still do no. Metagame checks your on-chain TX history automatically. The Nomad team stated via Twitter on August 23. Speaking with Cointelegraph, Metagame founder Brenner Spear noted that while he has no idea if it's all nudge anyone to return funds, the world have otherwise. The move is part of a broader attempt to foster and support good behavior in the sector. I am supportive of people doing the right thing for the wrong reason. More of the rings will happen and maybe people will start doing more of the right thing for the right reason too. The non-fungible tokens or NFTs doesn't have any function as it's essentially serves as a typography for to respond and reason that the funds in relation to this promo will also receive 100 of tokens, or usually if we calculate in 53 dollar who from Web3 platform for front. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel because this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, maybe just this. Thank you very much. See you.